How to see who liked you on Happn. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see who liked you on Happn. So to do that, first of all, open the Happn app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Happn account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the likes option on the bottom right side of your screen. Simply tap on it. And now, if somebody likes your profile, you will be able to see them over here, but let me be clear, if you don't have Happn Premium, you won't be able to see their names or their photos over here. You will only be able to see their blurred photo and nothing else, which really won't be any helpful. So in order to really see who liked you on Happn, you'll have to first of all buy the Happn Premium by simply tapping on this option right over here. And once you buy the Happn Premium, you will be able to see who likes you on Happn. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.